Alright, Beyond the Blue RC. I'm a Traxxas Maxx out tonight. I'm testing out this new wheelie bar setup I got from Traxxas. It's for the XMaxx, but it also works on the Max wheelie bar as well. So this is the blue one, $39.95 at my local hobby shop. It's aluminum, comes with bearings, and these are steel axles. So each wheel gets a steel axle. Supported by bearings. The stock one's all plastic and bushings, so not great. There's the part number. Like I said, this is the blue one. I got two. Got orange and blue. So those are the orange ones on there, and it's just plug and play. Real easy. Works for the stock wheelie bar. No worries. And sounds a lot better. None of that horrible plastic on asphalt sound anymore. It's a lot smoother. Smoother. So much better. That plastic scraping on asphalt was the worst. I hated that noise. I definitely recommend getting these. A little pricey, but not bad. It's a nice little upgrade. And it's really easy to do. Running on 4S tonight. Really don't run it on 3S that much, but try to avoid that mailbox if possible. But yeah. You like it wheelies a little bit better too. Honestly. So nice not hearing that wheelie bar and stock one. Oh yeah. It's a lot more stable on wheelies. It's a little harder coming this way because I don't want to hit myself, but yeah, I couldn't do that with the stock wheelie bar wheels. No way. That was nice and smooth. Not as wobbly. It's still wobbly, but not like it's hooking up a lot better. I mean, obviously the wheels are rubber as well, so I don't think I mentioned that. The wheels are rubber. Or not the wheels, but the tires are rubber and the wheels are aluminum, so. Very nice. Yeah. If you got a Max or an XMaxx, get rid of them plastic wheels, wheelie bar wheels. These are awesome. got a little close to myself on that last pass there. Let's go down a little further and see how far we can actually do a wheelie for here. That's the longest I've ever wheeled it. Most definitely the longest I've ever wheeled her. Yeah, that was pretty sweet. On the Blue RC. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, subscribe, keep on RCing out there.